This question is a logarithms question and really highlights the main logarithmic property that I think we want to know for the ACT. It says, given that log base 3 of x is equal to 4, solve for x. Okay, so one logarithmic property says the following, that if we have log of some base, which we'll call b, of an argument b, this number is called an argument, the value within the logarithm, and that gets raised or has an exponent, then as long as the base and the argument match, then that is just going to hold the value of the exponent. So log of some base b of the argument b raised to a power of x is going to equal x. So in this case, we have log base 3 of a value, and we know that it is equal to 4. So if we want to make the argument have the same base, then it would look like this. So log base 3 of 3. So now the base and the argument match. And if it's going to equal this value, we know that value to be 4, which means the exponent of our argument is 4. So this would say log base 3 of 3 is equal to 4. All right? And so what we have is we're being asked to solve for this value x right here. And so this just tells us that what's in x's spot is 3 to the 4th power. And 3 to the 4th power, you could use a calculator, where 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So the value we need for the argument in order for log base 3 of that value to equal 4 is 81, and we find that in selection J.